Hello and welcome to this guided Wim Hof breathing exercise, designed to help you to tap into the incredible power of your breath. Find a comfortable and quiet space, either sitting or lying down, whatever feels more comfortable for you, and then fully immerse yourself into this experience. Once we start, we are taking in a series of deep breaths in through the nose and exhale through the mouth. The inhale is active and the exhale is passive, allowing the breath to escape naturally. The breathing pattern itself is 30 breaths per cycle, and we're going to do 3 rounds of breathing today. After completing the first round, exhale fully, and then we are going to hold the breath for 30 seconds. The second round, we're going to hold our breath for 1 minute. And in the last round, we're going to hold our breath for 1 minute and 30 seconds. After each breath hold, take a deep breath in, hold for a moment, and then exhale. This completes each round. Throughout the practice, focus on the present moment and the sensations in your body. So what do you say? Let's start our first round. For that, find a comfortable, quiet space, either lying or seated. When you feel safe, the invitation is now to close your eyes. Take some gentle breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. And let's prepare for our first round. Breathing in and let it go. In, out, in, out. Keep breathing. No pauses on the top of your breath. No pauses at the bottom of your breath. Circular breaths in, out, in and out. Belly, chest, out. Belly, chest, out. Continue to breathe deep down and let it go. Breathing in, let it go. In and let it go. Finding your pace, your rhythm of breathing. Circular breaths. Enjoy the sensations in your body, following your breath where it's going to take you. In, out. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then one more deep inhalation. Exhale out, and then holding the breath on the exhalation. Holding your breath, the exhalation. Arriving in your body, connecting to the sensations within. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathing in and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let it go. And then taking in some gentle breaths in and out through the nose. Checking in with yourself. Then let's prepare for round number 2. Breathing in and and letting go. Breathing in and letting go. Continue to breathe. The inhalation is full and rich and deep. Tapping into the sensations in your body. Reconnecting with your breath. Reconnecting with yourself. Enjoying each active inhalation. In through the nose, out through the mouth. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Continue to breathe deep down into the belly, all the way up. Stay with your breath. Stay with your rhythm. You can do this. Active inhalation, passive exhalation. Active inhalation, passive exhalation. In, out, in, out, in, out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then one more deep inhalation. Exhale, and on the exhalation, holding your breath. I'm going to hold the breath now for 1 minute. The more you're able to relax, the more you're able to embrace the situation, the easier it will get. Finding that inner stillness, that inner relaxation, feeling your heartbeat slowing down, letting go. We are almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep inhalation and holding your breath at the top. Hold your breath for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let it go. And then let's prepare for our last round. In, out, in, out, in, out. Making your inhalation deep and full and rich and complete. Feel the energy as it rises in your body. You might gonna feel some tingling sensations in your body. Start this journey inwards. Embrace the situation. Reconnecting with the power of your breath. In and out. In and out. Feel the active inhalation and the soft and gentle exhalation. What's changing, what's shifting in your body, in your mind. We are almost there. Stay with it. Commit to your breath. 10 more breaths. 9 more breaths. Stay with it. We are almost there. All that matters is here and now. Enjoy, smile with each breath you take. 5, 4 more breaths. 3 more breaths. And 2. And 1. And then one more deep inhalation all the way up. Exhale, and on the exhalation, holding your breath on the exhalation. We're going to hold our breath now for 1 minute 30 seconds. Of course, if you need to breathe before, do so. Otherwise, fully relax your body, your mind. Listen carefully to your body, the feelings, the sensations, giving yourself the permission to slowing down and slowing down and slowing down even more. Allowing the sensations, the feelings to arise. Letting go. We are almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep inhalation, breathing all the way up. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Release. And start breathing slow and gentle in and out through the nose again. Feel what has shifted for you. Checking in with yourself. How is your breath? How is your body? How is your mind? And the invitation is to start with some slow and gentle movement. Touching your fingertips, wiggling your toes, a big stretch, a big smile, and then slowly and gently making your way back into a seated position. I hope you're doing well, and I'm wishing you a wonderful day. Bye bye.